In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a matrix report in Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or a seasoned user, understanding how to optimize your reporting capabilities with matrix reports can provide more comprehensive insights for your organization. So let's dive in and explore these steps together. First, you'll want to start by clicking on the App Launcher. This is where you'll find a variety of applications that Salesforce offers, and among them, the Reports option. Go ahead and navigate to the Reports section. This area is like your canvas, where all your data can be visualized, compared, and analyzed. Once you're there, the next step is to select New Report. This action is going to set the stage for building your customized matrix report from scratch. It's an important choice because from here the options you select will determine what data gets pulled into your report. Moving forward, you need to choose the appropriate report type. Think about the data you will need to include. Are you looking at opportunities, accounts, or another data type? Depending on your decision here, Salesforce offers different fields and customization options. So be sure this choice aligns well with your data needs. Now we're into the structuring part. It's time to group your data. By clicking on Group Rows, you'll select a field that makes sense for grouping your rows. For instance, if you're analyzing sales data, you might choose to group by sales region or product line. This step is essential as it sets up the comparisons you'll make later in the report. In a similar manner, click on Group Columns and choose the field for column grouping. This step allows you to define how to compare across the different row groups you just set. Maybe you're interested in quarterly comparisons or comparing sales representatives. Customization is key in creating a valuable report. At this point, you can add various filters and summary fields that refine the insights your report delivers. Maybe you only want to view data from the last financial quarter or need to see total revenue figures. These can be set with appropriate filters. Feel free to add charts too, as these visual elements can often highlight patterns or trends more clearly than numbers alone. Finally, it's time to run the report. This will compile all the data, selections, groupings, and customizations you've made into a matrix format, providing a comprehensive view of the insights you want. If you're satisfied with the results, don't forget to save the report, give it a descriptive name, one that makes it easy to find or recognize later when you or your team members need to reference it. And there you have it, a complete matrix report created in Salesforce. By following these steps, you've optimized your Salesforce reporting capabilities and are now ready to extract more valuable insights from your data. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.